there is a person called Mr. A. He is having a business. What is his business? His business is to purchase and sell the cloth here. So Mr. A is dealing in a business of a cloth. What he will do? He will purchase the cloth in wholesale market and will sell to the customers in retail here. So now understand here, when he is buying the cloth and when he is selling the cloth, it means sir he is having certain transaction. Understand please carefully. Whenever he is buying the cloth and whenever he is selling the cloth here, so buying and selling of cloth will come under the transaction here. So transaction took place here. Now what he will do here? This transaction he has to record in his books. Got it? So recording this transaction in his book will be called as a journal. Will be called as a journal here. So what is the first step we are having? Sir, having certain transaction. For that transaction we have to record this transaction in books. So recording the transaction in books is called a journal here. Got it? Is called a journal. So what is happening here? First transaction took place. Based on the transaction, sir, we recorded this in the books here. Yes or no? So that is called journal. This will be done by a person called bookkeeper, and this process is called bookkeeping here. Got it here?